where's my coffee? Coffee, coffee, coffee. Where should I stand? Here. Okay guys, welcome to a new video. This week we will shoot a glass. Can I zoom in? Yes. I'm just messing around here. I have no idea how this image will turn out. Hopefully something fun. How do we start? Well, first of all, thank you all the members, the coffee supporters. Today I'm using Hasselblad and have birds outside. That's nice feature. And as always, we start by taking a shot without these two flashes. And what do we get? We get a black frame. That's good. Now let's turn on, which one should we turn on? Probably this one. This is flash A, head on. You see some light on the background. And let's take a shot. What do we get? Yes, a bit of light on the background. It's kind of random. It's a bit brighter here, and then it goes like fades out a bit dark, but I think we will keep it like this because now we will turn on this guy. This guy has like a snoot to make the light source just like a bit smaller, you know. And now we have this guy from the top. And what's your name? Your name is B, head on. And this guy has a zoom reflector with a honeycomb grid 10 degree. And we're shooting straight down. And let's take a shot. Boom. Not so nice. So I added a diffusion. Because this will look so much nicer on the glass. When you take another shot, you see that on the front have this smooth and nice light on the front there. This is so much nicer, I think. We can take a shot when I'm holding this bottle, something like that. Yes, I think so. Turn the camera a bit to the right. Let's take another one. Yeah, the bottle, the neck of the bottle will also have this nice soft diffusion. So I think this will look great. Now we only need to splash a bit somehow. We'll see. You know, there was I think it was a member or a subscriber who typed in the comments, please make a video when you are shooting a pour from a bottle into a glass. So that's what I'm doing today. You can also type below and give me some suggestions what I should shoot, so then I will shoot it, maybe. Okay, let's make a mess. Let's open this. Okay, let's see how this will go. Hopefully we will survive. Maybe I can zoom in on this camera a bit. I want a lot more action. Would be nice. Let's try again. Let's see how this turns out. Ooh! That's kind of cool. Let's try again. What do we get? Oh, that one is great too. Okay, I have one more. Maybe a bit too much. Okay, I will take this and let's make some bubbles. maybe a bit too much. Yeah, you can keep on doing this forever, of course. I think now we can combine the bottle shot and the splash shot. So maybe there will be 2 layers in Photoshop, so we can like, yeah, combine them. That might look good. I will see when I am in Photoshop, see what I will do. But it will be something. And now I have cider all over the floor. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for the coffee, all you members. And first time here, is it first time you're here? Then you need to hit the subscribe button so you will get notification when there is another video coming next week maybe. And hit the like button, it helps the channel a lot. And remember, as always, I will see you next